Here we have a hands-on environment where people can test and make things.
We have created physical space for telco tech startups in Berlin to create the tangible tomorrow together with us.
What is the next step of co-working? Our answer to that is the studio,
Which is a place where developers and startups can ideate and develop their ideas to a trial on our infrastructure within 3 to 5 days.
It's on the ground floor. We can even bring in a car if we want, so it's a garage. In the hubraum studio, a 5G developer can sit down and create the product for the environment they want to have that product used in the future. Here in Berlin, you can test it. This is outstanding. Around the world, you don't find this infrastructure.
that is a huge, huge thing. So it's not like doing demo days. It's building real stuff on our infrastructure.